At Marquee Microwave, we design and manufacture the high-frequency and broadband technology that enables the most sophisticated electronic systems in the world. Wireless communications, advanced radar, electronic warfare and sensing, high-speed telecommunications, fundamental research in fields ranging from physics and astronomy to biology. These are the applications that push Marquee to innovate relentlessly to stay at the cutting edge of what is possible. With time, experience, success, and failure, the mission of the company became clear: to invent technologies that empower our customers to design faster, simplify production, and shatter performance barriers. Today, Marquee's reputation is well established as being one of the most innovative, prolific, and service-oriented companies in the RF, microwave, and millimeter wave industry. Products unique to the market that require a special blend of skills and talent to produce. This is our niche. This is our passion. We focus on the technology, whatever it takes to make the best products with the biggest impact. Knowledge is king at Marquee. Fundamental knowledge of physics drives the products we create. Deep knowledge of our customers and their applications drives the features that we strive for. At all levels, from manufacturing to marketing, we are obsessed with bringing our customers the best performance physically possible.